Okay, so this time ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano ko po ginawa at ano pong app ang ginamit ko sa paggawa ng aking intro vid para sa mga YouTube videos na ina-upload ko. Okay, so without further hanash, let's proceed. Okay, kailangan nyo lang po i-download ang thumbnail app from your Google Play Store. Okay, so since na-download ko na po siya dito sa aking mobile phone, I just have to hit the thumbnail app. Okay, there you go. And by the way, for you to able to use this app, you'll be needing internet connection po. Okay, so there you go. So since ang content po natin for today is how to do or make an intro vid for your YouTube videos. Okay, so we have to click the intro maker there. Okay, so intro maker for YouTube music intro video editor. Okay, so we just have to open this and it will redirect you already kung anong template yung prefer nyo or prefer nyo na gamitin. So, meron po tayong mga templates dito na may nakalagay VIP and I guess, itong mga to may bayad. Okay, so dun tayo sa free. Okay, so ito na lang para madali na. So, meron pwede kang pagpilian 480p pixel and 1080 pixel. Okay, so dito na tayo sa 1080. Okay, so as you can see, sa upper part of your mobile phone, there is the back icon, edit, and the check mark. Okay, and at sa bottom part naman of your mobile, there is text, where obvious naman na itong text na to is magagamit natin kung ano man yung text na gusto natin ilagay sa ating intro vid. And there is the second one is sticker, music, sound, and picture. Okay, so we do have 5 icons at the bottom of your screen: text, sticker, music, sound, and picture. Okay, so simulan natin sa text. So whichever you prefer to put on your intro. Okay, so syempre for me, I have to put my channel name, my YouTube channel. Okay, so there are options na pwede nyong gamitin or fonts. Okay, nakikita nyo rito sa medyo middle part. So it's your choice. Yung mga may lock na fonts or letters here, ito po yung may mga bayad. Okay, so may mga free naman silang binibigay gaya ng yung walang lock. Okay, so it's up to you kung ano yung prefer nyo. Okay, so syempre mas prefer ko yung readable para madali siyang matandaan ng mga subscribers, diba? Okay, so wait na lang para kitang-kita siya kasi medyo dark yung napili kong template, right? Okay, so once you're done, you just have to click done. Okay, ito po sa middle part. Okay, so click done and there you go. So if you prefer to add sticker on your intro vid, you may do so. Pili ka lang dito sa mga free na sticker provided nitong app na to. Okay, meron din kasing iba na may mga bayad, just like yung itong mga to na may lock. So meaning hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin because you have to purchase that to them online. So may mga options, maraming options na pwedeng pagpilian, no? Gaya ng may popular text, energy, what else? Social. Oh, 'di ba? And what else? Drag nyo lang po to going left. Yung mga emojis. Ayan. Tapos fire. What else? Neons. Sparks. Lightning. So, ang dami, diba? So, yan. Drag lang kayo. Drag. Pag nakita nyo may arrow down, pwede nyo pong gamitin yan. You just have to download it. Yung arrow down na yan. Pwede yan. Okay. Okay, so whichever you prefer, kung ano yung gusto nyo. So, pag na-download nyo yun, lahat ng mga arrow, may sticker na may arrow down, papasok po rin siya rito sa my option. There. Okay. Parang gusto ko to ilagay yung heart. Diba? Okay, ito kaya. So, ito na lang. Okay, nice. First time ko mag-navigate to Kasi nakagawa na ako actually ng intro vid. Pero, ayoko lang masyado ng complicated. Kaya, well, it's up to you. It's up to you guys. Ito may... Okay, so there yung heart. Done. So, pwede pa rin natin siya lagyan if you wish to na mas madami kang ilagay na sticker. Parang nakakatuwa ilagay yung music. Yan. So, there. Okay. Pwede mo siyang ilipat. You have to, i-drag mo lang yung, just have to drag it. Diba? And, so, click done. So, if you want to make changes sa nilagay mo, meron nakalagay picture 5, picture 4, and hello world, yung icon na nilagay mo. So, ayusin ko yung isa. Yung heart to heart. Diba? You just have to drag it wherever you prefer to place those stickers. Okay? Then, click done. Alright. So, this time, let's put music on this intro vid na ginawa ko. There are options here to choose from, okay? Meron kasi akong napansin dito yung mga intro music na meron siyang copyright pa rin. So, if I were you, pili ka pa din. Pili tayo ng yung free ba. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng merong copyright music, okay? There. So, merong message, okay, to avoid copyright issues and support the artist, we advise you to add the following credit. Okay, so, ayan. These are the copyright, or this is the credit information that you have to copy and put on your YouTube vid. Okay? Para magamit mo siya. Okay, so ako kasi I prefer na yung music na walang copyright. So, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung music na walang copyright. Okay, so wait. Medyo there. Okay, so as you can see, kapag clinic mo yung isang music, wala siyang message gaya katulad ng kanina na about the copyright issues, claim, keme-keme at chuchu. Okay, so since sample lang naman to, para hindi na tayo tumagal, just hit the plus sign icon dito sa sa right side. Okay, there. Okay, so it will redirect you here na kung saan pwede nyo i-adjust yung volume. Okay, kasi ako ayoko na masyadong loud yung volume. So, ina-adjust ko talaga siya ng mahina. Tapos, I just have to toggle on the fade in and fade out. Para, pag tumugtog siya sa inyong vid, hindi siya yung parang kinat ng bigla. So, maganda. Maganda kapag nakatoggled on yung fade in and fade out para dun sa music mo. Okay, so we just have to hit on the check mark at the middle part if you're done. Okay, so there you go. Okay. So, kung ano yung length ng... Depende rin sa'yo. It's up to you kung gaano kahaba. I mean, it's up to you. Okay? By the way, kung paano po magbura ng, let's say, meron po kayong nalagay na icons or text or picture, for you to able to delete that, you just have to hit that layer. Let's say, ito po. Okay, Xmark. Meron po siya sa screen, makikita mo, merong sa three corners of your screen, 'di ba? Sa title here na to, meron siyang trash can, etong plus sign sa right corner. Pwede mo siyang edit. Tapos itong yung adjacent, yung round parang recycle icon na pwede mo siyang liitan, lakihan, or ilipat. Okay? So, kapag may gusto, katulad yan, gusto kong burahin yan, you just have to hit on the trash can icon. There. Kasi parang sumobra sa ginawa ko kanina. Okay? So, there you go. So, try natin, play natin. Okay. So, since mahaba yung template ng background, okay, template background, so, i-expand ko na rin siya. And, so, isasama ko na rin expand. You just have to drag kung ano yung gusto mong i-expand layer. Okay, so, i-expand ko na yung ito, yung name ng channel ko, yung picture na nilagay ko, moving picture, parang animation siya, no? Yan. Okay. Alright, so, there. Let's try it again. So, meron ding animation para dito sa text, by the way. Okay, so, yan. You just have to click that text, okay? So, makikita mo yung layout. Yun na nga, yung font. Alright? So, merong design. It's up to you kung anong desire na gusto nyo. Basta may mga options tayo to choose from there. Okay, so there's also animation options dito sa lower part, okay? Sa pinaka lower part of your screen, nasa right side. If you choose to, merong animation na makikita bago lumabas yung channel name nyo. Okay, it's your choice. So, merong din siyang mga lock. So, meron yung mga free. Doon tayo sa free. Para walang bayad, di ba? There you go. So, meron ding speed option siya. Kung gusto nyo mabagal or mabilis, it's up to you. Pero mas maganda kung mabagal para nababasa, di ba? Bilis, oh. Okay. Ayan. So, dun tayo sa mabagal. Tapos, ano ba maganda? Pataas? Pababa? Oh. Alright. Well, it's up to you guys kung anong gusto nyo. Tapos, ito rin, meron din siyang another option. Dito, as you can see, tatlong circle icon. So, punta tayo sa second. Ito. Ayan. So, ayan yung mga possible na pwede nyong pagpilian na free. Well, it's up to you. Ako gusto ko plain lang. So, I don't think I need it. Alright. So, ito naman. And the third circle. Kung paano siya mag-exit. Okay? So, kanina, itong isang icon na to, kung paano siya papasok. Okay? So, itong second option, kung anong gusto nyo or style na habang nandyan siya sa gitna, kung anong movement na pwede nating ilagay, prefer. Okay? So, pwede rin siya. And itong other circle icon, ito naman yung paglabas. Kung ano yung prefer natin, kung gusto natin na lumabas siya, going to the right, going to the left again, it's up to you. So, since kanina, ang pinili ko is yung papasok siya to the right. Okay, so this time, para palabas naman, let's do it to the taas naman. Sige. Yan. Okay. So, when you're done, it's up to you. You just have to click done. Okay? There. Okay. For seconds. Okay, let's just play it. Nice. There. That's it. So, okay. So, ganyan ko po ginawa ang aking intro vid for my YouTube videos. Okay? Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button and comment down below if you do have questions, okay? At kung bago naman kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa lahat po ng videos na aking i-upload, okay? So once again, thanks for watching and God bless everyone. Bye!